Hey everybody, Carl here from Abt, and if you have an older Sony TV or maybe even a newer one and you've noticed it kind of slowing down a little bit, that could be because the cache is getting full. In this video, I'm going to show you how to clear the cache to help speed up your TV a little bit. Now, there is something to remember though, when you do clear the cache, it's going to get rid of some of the information that you've already input into the TV, so make sure you have all your passwords handy because you'll probably need to re-put those in for most of the apps that you're using, so just keep that in mind before we get started. Stay tuned. First things first, we're going to go to the home page, which you're looking at right here, and then we're just going to hit the right directional button until we get over to the All Settings tab. It's that little cog that you see up there in the corner. And then we're going to hit the center button on the directional pad. Now from here, we're going to go down to System, and under System, we can go down to Storage, and this is where everything's going to take place. Now, you can hit right, and you can go into cached data, and when you're down to cached data, you can press the center button on the control pad again, and here is a quick way to clear out all the cached data. So if you click on the center button again, it's going to clear everything out. For the purposes of this video, I'm just going to go to cancel just so you can see where it is. But that's going to clear the entire thing. Now, if you don't want to clear the entire cached data, if there's just one app that's really kind of clogging things up, you can go to Apps, and then you can go over and you can see all apps and then go over one more time. And then you can find the app that you think might be causing the problem. So let's just go to Disney Plus here, for example. We're gonna go over to the right, and then you can go down to Clear Cache right here, press the center button, and it's gonna give you the option to clear the cache there. So you can try that on a few different apps if you want to first, so that you don't erase all of the data from all of your apps, or you can just clear the whole thing out by going to the entire system cache and clear everything out that way. That's just going to require a little more work when you're logging back onto everything. But that's a quick way to hopefully help speed up your TV if you've noticed it slowing down a little bit. If you have any questions, make sure you leave them down in the comments. As always, we appreciate you guys watching, and we'll see you in the next one.